Hello guys, today I've got Cudy P2 router and I'm going to show you how you can easily set up WISP in your router. WISP or WISP Client Bridge is really easy to set up. It allows your Cudy P2 to connect wirelessly to another Wi-Fi network, the host network, and then share that internet connection through its own Wi-Fi and Ethernet ports. In this mode, the P2 uses the wireless connection as its WAN connection. Typical uses connect to a landlord's hotel, office, or an existing router Wi-Fi, provide internet to devices without Wi-Fi, extend a wireless network to another room or building, create your own private network behind another Wi-Fi connection. So we can't do this in the application, unfortunately. So once you're here, you need to tap settings in the admin panel in the of course web interface, and here you need to tap WISP when tapping settings. Enable it and tap scan. Now your router will scan for other routers. Mine won't find any probably, but okay, it found many. So let's, for example, tap this one. We need to enter the password to this network, which is for me 1212991212. Here we've got protocol, so DHCP is the best one to set. Hostname, it's just the host name, so the name of the host. Tap here this button, and now waiting for changes to be applied. Now our router is being rebooted, so let's wait. Now after the reconnection, let me enter my Wi-Fi page back again, and it works. We've got SSID connected. That's how it works. Goodbye.